In this video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom your video to fit the timeline. Now, as you can see, I've added here some video clips, but you can see they don't fit the timeline. There's a lot of empty spaces here, and I like just to go ahead and expand this so that it fits the timeline. Now, to do this, it is quite simple. Instead of going and increasing the timeline here, this is not the most appropriate way, because each and every time you'll have to adjust for it to fit. To automatically fit your video clips on your timeline, just go ahead and look for this feature here. If you point at it, you can see it is written zoom to fit timeline. So if you click on it, now you can see these video clips on my timeline have been zoomed to fit my timeline. And now I have easy work editing this video on this timeline without having to deal with a shrinked or a much expanded timeline. So that's how you can zoom your video clips to fit the timeline. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.